At Discovery Chinese Cultural Center, we teach Chinese language and culture. And we do this by providing resources that are all aimed at boosting the students' reading, speaking, listening, and writing skills. We provide a framework whereby any student, depending on their needs and depending on the level that they are at or they intend to get, will be able to access all our resources, whether online or within our center, so that they can be able to improve in their language skills. We've got a couple of teachers who are both native Chinese as well as local teachers. We emphasize a lot on local teachers because we know that it is important to have local employment, and most of our teachers have actually studied in China. Some of them have got master's degree or even undergraduate Chinese language programs that enable them to teach all our students. But not only that, we've got fun moments. We get to enjoy lots of Chinese culture, especially when, for example, they're celebrating a certain holiday. We get together with other like-minded people, for example, even the embassy and other Confucius institutes, and we get to enjoy the Chinese cultural movements. But then why should you study Chinese? Somebody would ask. I would say a lot. There are lots of things why and opportunities that you will get when you study Chinese. For example, you get to traveling in the world, and not only traveling but work opportunities. Most of our students have gotten opportunities in Chinese companies. They get to get work that they can do. Either they'll serve as administrators, or they will serve at the construction sites, or even they will serve as translators, which is also a profession that you can gain or you acquire after doing Chinese language. But not only that, international companies, even the United Nations, the embassies, a place where you can work. You can be a tour guide. I know some of our students who are tour guides and they're doing Chinese so that they will be able to serve in the tourism market. But not only that, teachers. Personally, I've been a teacher now for 10 years of Chinese language. So teaching Chinese is a wonderful thing, either to children or even to adults. But of course, for business purpose, I mean, we are living in an era where there is a lot of rising of small, medium enterprises. And when somebody wants to get things in China, then it would be nice if they know the language, even if it's a little of the language. But above all, you get to boost your CV. By having any additional language whatsoever, your CV is better placed than the rest of the others.
Ni hao, my name is Matilda Umutoni. I'm a Chinese student in Discovery Cultural Center. I've been learning Chinese for 1 month so far, and it has been a beautiful journey. First of all I have to do is wake up, put on my computer, and I do my classes just like that. I don't have to wake up, figure out what I'll wear, figure out where I'm going. I can even be in my robe, in my dress, as you can see, and still have to learn Chinese. And it has been such a comfortable journey with Kathini Laoshi. It has been just a beautiful journey with Augustus Laoshi and Esther Laoshi. It has been so nice. Laoshi means teacher in Chinese. As you can see, I'm already learning Chinese. I hope you guys join us so that we can enjoy together and that we can go and flaunt to the world that we know Chinese now. Zai Chien.
大家好. My name is Augustus Kamamukiano. I am a student here at Discovery Chinese Cultural Center. When I first came to Discovery for my level 3, my biggest goal was to improve my speaking, my Koyu. I'm very happy to say that the environment is very conducive and the teachers are top-notch and very patient, and I was immediately able to see a tremendous improvement in both my speaking, my listening, my writing, the Hanzi, the Chinese characters. And now I'm even pursuing my level 4, and I'm also an intern here at Discovery Chinese. I'm very thankful for the teachers, the staff, and everyone else for all their support. And I would encourage all of you to also join us. 谢谢大家，欢迎光临，再见。
hao. My name is Kadeni. I'm a teacher at Discovery Chinese Cultural Center. I'm really passionate about learning the Chinese language as well as teaching it. I've been teaching quite a number of students from level 1 and onwards, and I'm very happy as a teacher when a student comes in as a beginner. Most times they really don't know anything or any vocabulary or just any greeting in Chinese, but once they're done with level 1, at least they can speak the language, level 1 content that is, effectively, which makes me very happy as a teacher. Also, the same applies to level 2s and the other levels as well. So if you're out there and you're interested in learning the Chinese language, I'll really encourage you to come, learn, have fun, interact with us, and I'm pretty sure you'll have a great time here.
大家好，我叫 Trufena. That means my name is Trufena. I came at Discovery Chinese as a student. I have learned Chinese language, and I ended up being the administrator of the same center because of the Chinese language. This shows that there are so many opportunities which we can get by learning Chinese language. I will urge each and every person outside there looking to study Chinese language, don't waste your time. This is the time. Grab it and run with it. You are welcome at Discovery Chinese. Wanying.
And so I welcome you to Discovery Chinese Cultural Center, where you get to experience Chinese language and the culture of the Chinese people. Thank you.